we have given fractional equation. First check denominators, because we have here general quadratic trinomials, so first we can try to factorize our denominator. First denominator, let's copy numerator, because we have y squared, so at the beginning we need to have y, because y times y will give me y squared. And next we have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 20, and when I add these two numbers I need to have -9 coefficient before y, so it will be -4 and -5, because -4 times -5 give me 20, and -4 plus -5 is -9. So what else we will do? We have 1 in the numerator, and we have 4 minus y. In the first parenthesis we have y minus 4. So we have different signs. Big 4, we have positive, and now negative, negative, positive. How we get the same sign? We have to factorize negative sign from the denominator. So we will have -4 will be plus y. Negative and negative give me positive, negative and positive is negative, so I still have the same expression in the denominator. I didn't change anything. And minus, the same will be with the third denominator, because we have 5 minus y and we have y minus 5. So I will factorize negative sign again. Numerator we will copy. So we will have -5 plus y. This is equal 0. So now let me copy first algebraic fraction. We have y minus 4 times y minus 5. Negative and negative give me positive, and we have 1. First I will put variable y, next -4, negative and negative, so I will have positive, and we have 1 over y minus 5. This is equal 0. How we add algebraic fractions? We need to have the same denominators. We have y minus 4 times y minus 5. We have y minus 4 and 1 minus 5. So the lowest common denominator will be, of course, y minus 4 times y minus 5, because we need to have in the denominator every term which we have at the beginning. So it will be 1 over y minus 4 times y minus 5. The first fraction stays the same. The second, we need to have in the denominator y minus 4 times y minus 5. We have only at the beginning y minus 4, so we need to multiply times y minus 5. Denominators, so numerator we have to multiply also by y minus 5. The third denominator we have to multiply by y minus 4, so the same will be with the numerator. So now we have 1 times y minus 5, so this is y minus 5, and we have 1 times y plus 4, so this is y minus 4, and the denominator is y minus, we will keep the same order, y minus 4 times y minus 5. This is equal 0. So next step, when we have the same denominators, we can copy the denominator and we will add numerators. So we have 1 plus y minus 5 plus y minus 4. So this is equal 0. When this fraction will be 0, the numerator cannot be 0. So only when this numerator will be 0. So let's first combine the like terms. We have y and y, so it will be 2y, 1 and -5, so this is -4, and -4, so this is -8. So let me copy maybe denominator now. So this is y minus 4 times y minus 5. So this is equal 0. Like I said, this fraction will be equal 0 only when this numerator will be equal 0. Or first we can factorize 2, so will be y minus 4 in the numerator over y minus 4 times y minus 5. When we have multiplication, we can reduce y minus 4 and y minus 4, so we have 2 over y minus 5 is equal 0, because the denominator cannot be 0, and in the numerator we have 2. 2 is equal 0? No. So what it means? It means that our fractional equation doesn't have solution. So we can write that we don't have solution.